And we are given 3x square plus 5x plus 6, and we are required to find sum of roots and to find product of roots. We know that for quadratic equation having the form of f of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, to find the sum r1 plus r2 is given by minus b over a, and the product, their product give c over a. And from this we are given 3x square plus 5x plus 6, and we know the value of a is equals to 3, and the value of b is equals to 5, and the value of c is equals to 6. So to find the root, r1 plus r2 is given by minus b over a. This is equals to minus 5 over 3. And to find the product, r1 times r2 is given by c over a. This is equals to 6 over 3. This is equals to 2. This is example 1. And example 2 states that what is the solution of x raised to 4 plus 16 is equals to 10x square. First we have to rearrange. X raised to 4 minus 10x square plus 16 is equals to 0. Then let x square be a. We know that a raised to xy can also be expressed as a raised to x raised to y, or a raised to y raised to x. So x raised to 4 can also be expressed x raised to 2 times 2. This can also be expressed as x square raised to 2. Therefore x square raised to 2 minus 10x square plus 16 is equal to 0. We know this is equals to a. This is equals to a. Therefore a square minus 10a plus 16 is equals to 0. And we know quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. The value of a is 1. Coefficient of a square is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of a, minus 10. And the value of c is 16. Therefore x is equals to minus of the value of b is minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 the whole square minus 4 times the value of a is 1. The value of c is 16 over 2 times the value of a is 1. This is equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 64 over 2. This is equivalent to 10 plus or minus square root of 36 over 2. This is equals to 10 plus or minus 6 over 2. This is equals to 16 over 2, or 10 minus 6 over 2 is equals to 4 over 2. This is equals to x either 8 or x either 2. But we assumed x square to be a. So x square, the value of a can be either 8 or the value of a can either be 2. X square is equals to 2. Therefore to find x square is equals to 8, we make square root. Therefore absolute value of x is equals to square root of 8. 8 first can be factorized? Yes, 8 can be factorized by 2, 4 by 2, 2. Therefore 8 can be written as 2 times 2. This is equals to, from property a raised to x times a raised to y times a raised to z, we will a raised to x plus y plus z. Therefore this can also be 2 raised to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 raised to 3. Therefore absolute value of x is equals to square root of 2 cube. And we know that n the root of b can also be written as b raised to 1 over n. Therefore this can also 3 raised to 1 over 2. Therefore absolute value of x is equals to 2 raised to 3 raised to 1 over 2. And we know that a raised to x raised to y is equals to a raised to xy. This is equals to absolute value of x is equals to 2 raised to 3 over 2. And we have already talked about this. When numerator is greater than denominator, we make a division. Therefore when 3 divided by 2, 1 times 2, 1. Therefore 3 over 2 can also be expressed as 1 plus 1 over 2. This is quotient, this is remainder, this is divisor. Therefore, this 3 over 2 can express as 2 raised to 1 plus 1 over 2. And we know that a raised to x plus y can also be expressed as a raised to x times a raised to y. This is equals to 2 raised to 1 times 2 raised to 1 over 2. This is equals to 2 times 2 raised to 1 over 2 is equals to absolute value of x. This is also known as absolute value of x is equals to square root of 2. And we talk about absolute value of x is equals to a, can either x is equals to a or x is equals to minus a. Therefore, the value of x can be plus or minus 2 root 2. This is the first. And for the second, x square is equals to 2. So under square root, absolute value of x will be root 2. This is equals to x is equals to plus or minus root 2. Therefore, solution set, final solution set will be minus root 2 minus 2 root 2 root 2 to root 2. These are all the possible answer of the equation given. And now we are going to talk about system of equation. Systems of equation. If you are given two equation, a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, a2x plus b2y is equals to c2, and there are three cases. The first one is case 1, infinite solution. The system of equation have infinite solution if a1 over a2 is equals to b1 over b2 is equals to c1 over c2. Case 2 is one solution. If a1 over a2 is different from b1 over b2, it have one solution. Case 3 is no solution. If a1 over a2 is equals to b1 over b2 is different from c1 over c2, then the equation have no solution. So let's solve some example. For example, example 1 is given a 2x plus 3y is equals to 1, x minus 2y is equals to 3. How many solution do system of equation has? Equations have solution. In order to know, we know that a1 over a2, b1 over b2, c1 over c2. Comparing this thing, a1 over the value of a1 for the first 2x plus 3y is equals to 1. So the value of a1 is 2, the value of b1 is 3, and the value of c1 is 1. From the second equation, x minus 2y is equals to 3. The value of a2 is 1, the value of b2 is minus 2, and the value of c2 is 3. Therefore, when 2 divided by 1, 3 divided by minus 2, 1 divided by 3. Since 2, this is equal to 2 minus 3 over 2. Since 2 is different from minus 3 over 2, this goes with this. When we divide a1 over a2 is different from b1 over 2, it have one solution. So the system of equation have one solution. Let's solve the second equation. The second equation is given by b 3x minus 2y is equals to 2, 9x minus 6y is equals to 5. So the value of a1 is 3, the value of b1 is minus 2, the value of c1 is 2, the value of a2 is 9, the value of b2 is minus 6, the value of c2 is 5. So when 3 divided by 9, minus 2 divided by minus 6, 2 divided by 5, this is equals to 1 over 3. By 3, 1 by 3, 3. This is 1 over 3, this is 2 over 5. Since 1 over 3 is equals to 1 over 3, we make equals to, and 1 over 3 is different from 2 over 5. Therefore, when this form have come, we know from case 3, when A1 over A2 is equals to B1 over B2 is different from C1 over C2, it have no solution. Example 3 is given by x plus y is equals to 3 and 2x plus 2y is equals to 3. This is C. The value of A1 is equals to 1, the value of B1 is equals to 1, and the value of C1 is equals to 3, and the value of A2 is equals to 2, the value of B2 is equals to 2, and the value of C2 is equals to 6. Therefore, 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, 3 divided by 6. This is equals to 1 over 2. Therefore, 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 2. When all of them are the same, from equation 1, when A1 over A2 is equals to B1 over B2 is equals to C1 over C2, it have infinite solution. The system of equation have infinite solution. And now we are going to talk about graph of infinite one and no solution. For infinite solution, we know that A1 over A2 is equals to B1 over B2 is equals to C1 over C2, or when you graph in the xy equation, this is x, this is y. If this is the graph, both pass through the same point or one another. They will pass on one another. Equation 1 will pass on equation 2. For one solution, we know that A1 over A2 is equals to B1 over B2. If A1 over A2 is different from B1 over 2, it have one solution, and the graph will cross only at one point. This is their solution set. For example, this is system 1, this is system 2, and they will cross at only one point. And the last is infinite solution, no solution. That means A1 over A2 is equals to B1 over B2 is different from C1 over C2, or if the equations are parallel. For example, this is equation 1, and if this is equation 2, this is equation 1, they are parallel, so they have no solution of intersection. So we say this type of equation have no solution. So let's solve some equation. The first equation is given by 15x plus 25y is equals to 16, and the second is given 10x plus 20y is equals to 25, and we are required to find the coordinate xy. Solution: first we have to write 15x plus 25y is equals to 16. Is there any common between 15x and 25x? Yes, 5 is common. When 15x divided by 3x will be left. When 25y divided by 5y will be left, is equals to 16. When we divide by 5, when divided by 5, 3x plus 5y is equals to what? 12. For the second equation, 10x plus 20y is equals to 25. Do there any common? Yes, 10 is common. When 10x divided by 10, x will be left. When 20y divided by 10, 2y will be is equals to 25. When we divide by 10, x plus 2y is equals to 2.5. Therefore 3x plus 5y is equals to 12, and x plus 2y is equals to 2.5. In order to solve this type of equation, first, if this is positive 3, we have to use the negative of this number. So we have to multiply the second equation by negative of this number, minus 3. Therefore the first equation is the same. 3x plus 5 times y is equals to 12. When negative 3 multiplied by x minus 3x will be. When negative 3 multiplied by 2y minus 6y is equals to. When negative 3 multiplied by minus 7.5. This will be eliminated and minus 6y plus 5y minus y will be left. And 12 minus 7.5, there will be a 4.5. Therefore by minus 1, the value of y will be minus 4.5. So we know one equation, x plus 2y is equals to 2.5 and the value of y is equals to minus 4.5. So inserting 4.5 minus 4 in terms of this. Therefore x plus 2 times minus 4.5 is equals to 2.5. Therefore x minus 9 is equals to 2.5. X is equals to 2.5 plus 9. When we brought negative 9 to the right, it becomes 9. Therefore x is equals to 11.5. So we are asked to find the coordinate of x, y. Therefore the value of x is 11.5 and the value of y is minus 4.5. So we are going to solve the example 2. Example 2 is that a person wants to mix a solution that contain 15% alcohol with another 45% alcohols. Solution. Let's say let x be the alcohol that has a 15% solution and let y be the alcohol that has a 45% alcohol content. And how many of each solution must be used in order to produce 80 liters of solution that have 30% alcohol. And final product is to get a 18 liter of what? 18 liter of 13% alcohol. 18 liter of 13% alcohol. So when x plus y is equals to what? 18 and 15%. 15 over 100 of x plus 45 over 100 of y to give 18% of what? 13 over 100. We know that the sum of these two solutions will give 18 because it was given to give a 80 liter of a solution. So the first solution is x that have a 50% solution and the second alcohol or the second solution contain 45% solution. Therefore when they sum up they will give 18%. And when we mix them, what? 15% of the solution 1 plus 45% of solution 2 will give 13% of the total volume 80 liter. Therefore x plus y is equals to 18 and this is equals to 0.15x plus 0.45y is equals to 24. Therefore to find the value of x or to find the value of y we have to multiply this by a negative minus 0.15. Minus 0.5, this is equal minus 0.15x minus 0.15y is equals to minus 12 and 0.15x plus 0.45 is equals to 24. This will be cancelled and when we subtract 0.5 become 0.25y is equals to 12. When divided by 0.25, when we divide by 0.25, the value of y will be 48 liter. And to find the value of x or solution x, we know x plus y it will give 18 liter. Therefore x is equals to 80 liter minus 48 liter. This is equals x is 32 liter. make some big mistake. This is not 0.4, this is 0.45y minus 0.15y will be 0.3y is equals to 12. So when we divide by 0.3, the value of y is equals to 14 liter. Therefore this is wrong. The value of y is equals to 14 liter. To find the value of x, we know x plus y is equals to 18 liter. To find x is equals to 18 minus y. 18 minus 14 is equals to 14 liter. Both of them have a 14 liter chance. Example 3 says that how many liter of a 13% alcohol solution must be added to 5 liter of 15% alcohol solution to give a 25%. No problem. Let x be a solution having a 13% alcohol, and let y be a solution having 15% alcohol. But the value of y is already given. It was 5 liter. And the value of x is expressed in terms of liter. And it says that how many liter of a 30% alcohol must be added. That means x times, and let a percent be an added liter to a 13% alcohol. Therefore when 13% alcohol was added, 13%, that means 13 over 100% of the alcohol that was x plus 5 liter of 5 liter times, whenever you find of, it means multiplication. 5 times 15 over 100 to give what? A 25 over 100 of total value. The total value will be, you have initially x liter of x liter that have a solution of 13% alcohol. When you add a 5 liter, the total value will be the sum of these two numbers. That means x plus 5 liter. Therefore 0.3x plus 0.75 is equals to, this is equals to 0.25 times x plus 5. This is equals to 0.25x plus 1.25 is equals to 0.3x plus 0.75. This is equals to 0.05x is equals to 1.25 minus 0.75. This is equals to 0.5 x. When you divide by 0.05x, when you divide 0.05 x is equals to 10 liter. And example 3 is to solve 2x plus 3y is equals to minus 6 and 5x plus 2y is equals to 7. So to solve this, first we have to take the reciprocal of this number. This is 5. We have to take the reciprocal of 5 minus 5. We have to take the reciprocal or the negative of this number minus 2. Therefore when we divide minus 2 by 3, it will become minus 10x minus 15y is equals to 13. When negative 5 multiply by minus 6, it becomes 13. When minus 2 times 5, it becomes 10x minus 4y is equals to minus 1 4. Therefore this will be cancelled, and minus 19y is equals to 16. Therefore over minus 19 over minus 19. Therefore the value of y is equals to minus 16 over 19. We are given 2x plus 3y is equals to minus 6 and 5x plus 2y is equals to 7. First we have to make this number the same. So let's take the negative of this number, minus 5. Let's take the positive of this number, minus 5 times 2, minus 10. 5 times 2, 10. True. So we will continue. Minus 5 times minus 2, minus 10x minus 15y is equals to 13. And 2 times 3, 10x plus 4y is equals to 14. This will be cancelled, and minus 11y is equals to 44. When divided by minus 11, when divided by minus 11, the value of y is equals to minus 4. To find x, 2x plus 3y. So to find the value of x, 2x is equals to minus 6 minus 3 times of y. Therefore 2x is equals to minus 6 minus 3 times the value of y is minus 4. This is equals to, therefore to find the value of x, 2x is equals to minus 6 plus 12. Therefore 2x is equals to 6 over 2 over 2. The value of x will be 3 and the value of y is minus 4. Example 3 states that if we are given a system of equations 6x plus 4 times of y is equals to 13 and 3x plus 5 times y is equals to 15, and we are asked to find 4x plus 4y sum, not x or y. Therefore 6x plus 4 times y is equals to 13 and 3x plus 5 times y is equals to 15. So on the first, negative of this number minus 3, positive of this number 6. Therefore minus 3 times this, minus 18x minus 12y is equals to minus 19. When negative 3 multiplied by 13, minus 9. 6 times 18x plus 13y is equals to 18. Therefore this will be cancelled, and 8y is equals to minus 10. So to find y over 8, the value of y is equals to minus 5 over 4. To find the value of x, we have equations 3x plus 5 times y is equals to 15. So 3x is equals to 15 minus 5 times the value of 5 is minus 5 over 4. Therefore 15 plus 25 over 4 is equals to 3 times of x. 3x is equals to, when we take 4 as common, 4 divided by 1, 4 times 16 plus 4 divided by 4, 1 times 25. This is equals to 85 over 4 is equals to 3 times of x. So we will multiply by the reciprocal 1 over 3 times 1 over 3. This will be cancelled, and the value of x is, this is equals to 85 over 12. So we are asked to find 4x plus 4y. When we take 4 common, x plus y. Therefore 4 is equals to 85 over 12 minus 5 over 4. So 4 times, when we take 12 as common, 12 divided by 12, 1 times 85, 85 minus, when 12 divided by 4, 3 times 5, 15. This is equals to 4 times 17 over 12. By 4, 1 by 4, 3. So example 1 says that you are given a system of equations 6x plus 4y is equals to 13 and 3x plus 5 times y is equals to 15, and you are asked to find 4x plus 4 times of y. This is a required thing. Therefore you are given 3x plus 4 times of y is equals to 13 and 3x plus 5 times y is equals to 15. So we have to multiply by negative of this number minus 3 and positive of this number 6. Therefore minus 3 times this become minus 18x minus 12y is equals to minus 19. This is equals to 18x plus 13y is equals to 19. Therefore this will be cancelled, and 8y is equals to 0. Therefore the value of y will be 0, and you know that 6x plus 4 times of y is equals to 30. 6x plus 4 times the value of y, 0, is equals to 30. Therefore 6x is equals to 30 over 6 over 6. The value of x is equals to, the value of x is equals to 5. But we are asked to find 4 times of x plus 4 times of y. Therefore 4 times 5 plus 4 times 0 is equals to 20. This is method 1. We can also use method 2. That means 6x plus 4y is equals to 13, and 3x plus 5 times y is equals to 15, making addition. When 6x plus 3x, 9x. When 4y plus 5y, this will be 9y is equals to 45. When we take 9 common, 9x divided by 9, x will be left. 9y divided by 9, y will be left, is equals to 45. So we have to divide by 9 by divide by 9. Therefore x plus y is equals to 5. And we are asked to find 4x plus 4y. So when we take 4 as a common, 4x divided by 4, x will be left. When 4y divided by 4, y will be left. 4 times y is equals to 20. The same answer. You can either use method 1 or you can either use method 2. But this is not possible for all solutions. For exceptional like this equation. Example 4, it says that you are given y is equals to x square plus 3x minus 7, and the second equation y is equals to y minus 5x plus 8 is equals to 0, and you are asked how many solutions are there to the system. So from the second equation, y can also be written as 5x minus 8. When we brought negative x to the right, become 5x and when 8. So inserting 5x minus 8 in terms of the first. Therefore 5x minus 8 is equals to x squared plus 3x minus 7. Therefore putting this to the right, x squared plus 3x minus 7 minus 5x plus 8 is equals to 0. Therefore x squared plus 3x minus 5x minus 7 plus 8 is equals to 0. Therefore x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. We know that b square minus 4ac, if it's greater than 0, two solution. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, one solution, and b square minus 4ac greater than less than 0, no solution. So the value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 2, and the value of c is 1. Therefore minus 2 the whole square minus 4 times the value of a is 1, the value of c is 1. Therefore minus 2 square is 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore 0 must be equals to 0. So it have one solution. Example 5 states that which of the following order pair do satisfy. You are asked to find xy ordered pair, and you have given equation x plus y is equals to 3 and 2x plus y is equals to 5. So to find the value of y, we have to multiply the negative of c. The negative of c will be what? 2. The positive of this number 1. Therefore 2 times x, this is minus 2, because we are considering the negative of this number is minus 2 times x minus 2x minus 2y is equals to minus 6, and 2x plus y is equals to 5. Therefore this will be cancelled, and minus y is equals to minus 1. Therefore y will be cancelled, and the value of y is 1. To find x plus y is equals to 3. Therefore x is equals to 3 minus y. Therefore x is equals to 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, and we are asked to find xy. That means 2, 1. Example 6 states that if x minus 9 is equals to 2y and x plus 3 is equals to 5y, and we are asked to find what is the value of xy. First we have to rearrange the equation. Therefore x minus 2y is equals to 9. When we brought 2 to the left and minus 9 to the right, it become positive, it become negative. And when we brought 5y to the left, it become x minus 5y. When we brought 3 to the left, it become minus 3. So we have to multiply the negative of this number, minus 1, the positive of this number, 1, minus x plus 2y is equals to minus 9. x minus 5y is equals to minus 3. Therefore this will be deflated and minus y is equals to minus 12. Minus 3 y is equals to minus 12 over minus 3 over minus 3. Therefore the value of y is equals to 4. And we are asked also we have to find the value of x. We know that x minus 2y is equals to 9. The value of x is 9 plus 2 times y. This is equals to 9 plus 2 times the value of y is 4. 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. But we are asked to find x. Y. The value of x is 17. The value of y is 14. Therefore this is equals to 68. And you are given example 7. 1 over x plus 1 over y is equals to 3 over 5, and 1 over x minus 1 over y is equals to 2 over 5, and you are asked to find the value of x. Solution. Why not we make some addition? Therefore 1 over x plus 1 over x, it become 2 over x. 1 over y minus 1 over 5, it become plus 0 is equals to, when 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5 is equals to 1. Therefore 2 over x is equals to 1. To find x, 2 is equals to 1 times x. So the value of x will be 2. Example 8, it states that 1 over 2x minus 1 over 2y is equals to 6, and 3 over 4x minus 1 over 2y is equals to 21. This is 1 over minus 1 over 3, and this is 1 over 2. So to find this, we have to multiply the negative of this number minus 3 over 4, the positive of this number 1 over 2. Therefore when this divided by this, minus 3 over 8x plus 3 over 12y is equals to minus 18 over 4. And when we divide this, 3 over 8x minus 1 over 4y is equals to 21 over 2. Therefore this will be cancelled, and 3 over 12y minus 1 over 4y is equals to 21 over 2 minus 18 over 4. So when we take 12 as 12 divided by 12, 1 times 3y, 3y minus 12 divided by 4, 3 times minus 3 minus 3y. This is equals to 0. We make some mistake. Let's see. No, let's make this positive. Let's make this positive. So minus 3 over 4 times this will be, this is minus 3 over 12y is equals to negative times this number minus 18 over 4. Therefore this must be negative, this must be negative, is equal to, when we take 4 common, 4 divided by 2, 2 times 21, 42 minus 18. Therefore minus 6y over 12 is equals to, this is equals to 24 over 4. Therefore this will be cancelled. Minus y over 2 is equals to 6. To find y, crisscross, minus y is equals to 12. The value of y is equals to minus 12. To find x, we know that 1 over 2x plus 1 over 3y is equals to what? 6. Therefore 1 over 2x plus 1 over 3 times minus 12 is equals to 6. Therefore 1 over 2x minus 4 is equals to 6. Therefore 1 over 2x minus 4 is equals to 6. 1 over 2x is equals to 6 plus 4. Therefore 1 over 2x is equals to 10. The value of x will be 20 when we cross. But we are asked not x, not y. Rather we are asked to find x plus y. So the value of x is 20. The value of y is minus 12. Therefore when we sum up, it will give 8. Sometimes system of equation may come in the form of word problem.
For example, let's see these examples. Two types of gun were sold for people in Addis Ababa. Gun to shoot a larger distance cost. Let X be a gun that costs $15 each, and let Y be guns that cost $25. So there are 500 guns that were sold. Total sold gun were 500 gun were sold in Addis Ababa, and gun and 200 had been raised from. Therefore, $200 was get from selling 500. Therefore, X plus Y is equals to 500. That means 800 gun were sold. And as you know, cost is equals to each item times a dollar over one item divide plus. So we are given that the sum of the two gun is 500, because we don't know the number of gun that cost $30, and we don't know the total number of gun that cost $50. But we know something, that the sum of these two numbers that were sold was 500. And whenever you want to buy something, for example apple, and if you want to buy 2 apples and each apple cost $2, you will spend $4. How can you get $4 when you multiply 2 by $2? Because these have over 1 apple. Therefore, this will be cancelled and you will get $4. Like this. Therefore, 2000 was gained when X times $15 added by $25 times Y. Therefore, $15 times X plus $25 times Y is equals to $20,000. We know that $15 over one item. This is $20 over one item, and we want to buy Y items. We want to buy X items. Therefore, item will be cancelled and item will be cancelled. Therefore, $15X plus $25Y is equals to $20,000. When we take $Y common, $15X plus 25Y is equals to $20,000. So when we divide by $20, 15X plus 25Y is equals to 20,000. And we know that the sum of the two guns that were sold were 500. So when we take 25 to the first, 25 as a common, 15x divided by 25, 2x will be lifted, plus when 25y divided by 25y will be lifted is equal to 20,000. So when we divide by 25 over 25, 2x plus y is equals to 800, and we know that x plus y is equals to 500, and we want to multiply the negative of this number minus 1, the positive of this number 2. Therefore, minus 2x minus y is equals to minus 800, and this is 800. 2x plus 2y is equals to 500. This will be cancelled. Therefore, 2y minus y is equals to this is 2x. Therefore, 2y minus this is equals to y is equals to what? Example 1 is given by 2x plus 3 times y is equals to 7, and 4y is equals to minus x plus 2. What is the solution set of x and n? We are asked to find xy. We know that 2x plus 3y is given 7, and 4y. When we brought to the right, it becomes plus x is equals to 2. This also can be rearranged to x plus 3 times y is equals to 7, and x plus 4 times y is equals to 2. We have to multiply the negative of this number minus 1, positive of this number 2. Therefore, minus 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 7. 2x plus 8y is equals to 4. Therefore, this will be cancelled, and 5y is equals to minus 3. Therefore, the value of y is equals to minus 3 over 5. To find the value of x, we know that x plus 4 times y is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 minus 4 times y. Therefore, 2 minus 4 times the value of y is given minus 3 over 5. Therefore, 2 plus 12 over 5. This is equals to 22 over 5. Example 2 is given by x plus 2y is equals to 4 and x minus 5 times y is equals to 18, and we are asked to find 5x. X plus 2y is equals to 4 and x minus 5y is equals to 18. So we have to multiply the negative of this coefficient minus 1, the positive of this number 1, minus x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. X minus 5y is equals to 18. Therefore, this will be cancelled, and minus 7y is equals to 1/4 over minus 7 over minus 7. Therefore, to find the value of y will be minus 2. So to find x, x minus 5 times y is equals to 18. Therefore, x is equals to 18 plus 5 times y. This is equals to 18 plus 5 times the value of y is minus 2. This is equals to 8. But we are asked to find the value of 2 times of x. Therefore, 2 times 8 is equals to 16. And example 2 is given by 4x minus 5 times y is equals to 10 and 5x minus 4 times of y is equals to 15. The first step is to multiply minus 5. Negative of minus 5 is minus 5. 4 times plus 1 is 4. So this is equals to minus 5 times 4 minus 20x plus 25y is equals to minus 15, and 20x minus 16y is equals to 16. Therefore, this will be cancelled, and this is equals to 9y is equals to 10. So the value of y is equals to 10 over 9. To find x, we know that 4x minus 5 times y is equals to 10. Therefore, 4x is equals to 10 plus 5 times y. Therefore, 4x is equals to 10 plus 5 times 10 over 9. Therefore, when we take 9 common, 9 divided by 1, 9 times 19 plus 9 divided by 1, 15. This is equal to 114 over 9 is equals to 4 times x. So over 4 times 1 over 4. Therefore, this will be cancelled, and x is equal to 114 over 36. And we are asked to find 4 times x minus y. Therefore, 4 times the value of x is 114 over 36 minus the value of y is already given 10 over 9. 10 over 9. So when we take 36 as a common, when 36 divided by 36, 114 minus when 36 divided by 9, 4 times 10, 14. Therefore, 100 over 36 times 4 by 4, 1 by 4, 9. Therefore, the value will be 100 over 9. So the value of 4 times x minus y is equals to 100 over 9. This is method 1. We can also use method 2. Method 2 is 4x minus 5y is equals to 10 and 5x minus 4 times y is equals to 15. When we add them vertically, 9x minus 9y is equals to 25. So when we take 9 as a common, 9x minus y is equals to 25. So over 9 over 9. x minus 9 is equals to 25 over 9. But we are asked to find 4 times x minus 1. We already know x minus 1. Therefore 4 times 25 over 9 is equals to 100 over 9. Example 3 is given by y is equals to 2x squared, and the second equation 3x plus 6 is equals to 2 times 2y minus 3, and we are asked what is the value of 5 times xy. Solution: we are given y is equals to 2x squared and 3x plus 6 is given 2 times 2y minus 3. Therefore 3x plus 6 also can be as 4y minus 6. Therefore when we brought this to the right, 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 6 minus 6. Therefore 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 12. Therefore from the first equation we already found the value of y. 3x minus 4 times 2x squared plus 12 is equals to y minus 8x squared plus 3x plus 12 is equals to 0. So to find this we use quadratic. X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. We have already know the value of a is minus 8, the value of b is 3, the value of c is 12. Therefore x is equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of the value of b is 3 square, 9 minus 4 times the value of a is minus 8, the value of c is 12 over 2 times minus 8. Therefore the value of x will be x is equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 384. So 344 plus 8 is equal to 393 plus or minus root 3 square root over minus 16. This is x. Therefore the value of x will be minus 3 plus square root of 393 over minus 16, or x will be minus 3 minus square root of 393 over minus 60. So this minus 60 will cancel both of them. Therefore the value of x will be 3 plus square root of 393 over 16, or this 90 will cancel this and this become negative. The value of x will be 3 minus square root of 393 over 16. Therefore this and this become the answer. Tsagu obtain profit by selling twice more mangoes than banana. So let's say MB mango and let BB banana, and Tsagu get a profit by selling twice more mango. Therefore mango is equals to twice of banana. If Tsagu sell a total of 15 fruit and obtain a profit of $40, so Tsagu sell banana plus mango. How many he sells? Tsagu sells 15, and he obtain $14. He obtain $14. $14 have been obtained by selling twice of a mango, and we are asked how many banana does Tsagu sells. So profit $14 was obtained when Tsagu sell twice of banana minus what? Minus banana. Twice of B means this is mango, minus B is not banana, this is actually mango. So $40 was obtained by selling twice of mango than banana. This than means negative, and the second equation is mango plus banana. Banana is equals to 15 and 2 y's of mango minus banana is equals to 14. Therefore we will eliminate 3 times mango is equals to 19 to find mango over 3 over 3. So the value of mango is equals to 13.